Hey guys, welcome to the course. You've made a great choice. A few things before we get started. I just want to make sure you get the most out of the course. First of all, there's a lot of information you can get from this course without owning a rock school book. Okay, it's not essential. However, I probably would recommend getting hold of a book if you're looking at really diving in deep into the performance pieces. You'll have access to all the transcriptions, and particularly if you're interested in booking yourself in for a graded exam, a book of your own will be absolutely essential for you to sit the exam. Okay, the course is divided up into a few sections. Firstly, we've got a performance of each piece, followed by an analysis of the piece, which covers things such as technique, structure, ways we can develop and improvise in designated sections. We've got a run through of all the technical exercises at your grade, followed by an approach to improvisation and creativity. So that's melodic and rhythmic comping improvisation, which can be really useful in approaching improvisation outside of any of the rock school syllabus, but also within the pieces where you need to come up with solos, etc. That will be really, really useful for you. Finally, there are lots of additional download materials, PDFs and such like, where you will be able to have lots of examples to help you progress further. If you do come across any trouble, please do give us a shout through the website, send in videos of you playing, and we can give you personalised feedback on what we see.